Hi guys, in this video, we discuss about bitwise operator. It's very important. We have bitwise and say this is bitwise and this is bitwise or this is bitwise XOR, this is bitwise not, and this is left shift and right shift bitwise operators. And firstly, we discuss about and or and not operator. Okay. First of all, what is bitwise and bitwise or? So you should know the truth table about these things. If you know about this truth table, you can understand easily. See, A, B values on the same 0, 0, A and B 0. If both the values are true, then it will be true. See, 1, 1, 1. So any one of the values false, then it will be false. In case of OR operator, if any one of the value is true, then it will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. Okay. First of all, bitwise and bitwise OR. Before going there, we should know the conversion of binary numbers. See, 5 taking just example. Let's it as common place and understand it. Otherwise, you get some errors. So, for example, 5 I'm taking. What is binary number? Binary number of 5. You know, right? 101. Next, 6 binary number. 6 binary number, what do you know? 110. 110. Now, what you have to do means you have to use AND operator. Here we are using AND operator. What you will get here? 5. Twice AND 6. What you will get here? See, all the values are true, then it is 2. So, you get 1. Then any one of the value is false, then it is false. Here is same false. So it will now this if you convert this binary number into decimal number, then the value is value is 4. Same thing you will get if here I am using bitwise bitwise and next I'm going to tell you about bitwise or see 5 value is 101. 6 value is 110. Next, if you are doing bitwise or operation, 5 bitwise or of 6, you get see if any one of the value if both the values are 0, then we will 0. Any one of the value is for the true, then it is true. Here 111 011 101. So the value is 7. See 111 1. If you see if you know this truth table, you can solve this easily. Let's execute this program. Python. And 5 it was 6. Next print estimate 5 these are 6. Let us see what we get. See 4 and 7. So I said direct 7 4. Think you understood what I'm saying. Next it was XOR. How to use it was XOR. I'll tell you. Just go to right shift and left shift operator. How to use. See. Now discuss about left shift and right shift operator so that you can understand it. That's okay. Okay. See. For example, five 5 left shift right left shift. What does it means? Just see 5 binary number is 101. What I'm telling is 5 left shift to add two zeros in front of here, two zeros. Then what is the value? The value will be 20. To convert this number into decimal, value will be 20. Otherwise, if you want to see, let us check. Hmm. 5 left shift. See 20. See what I want to say means, if I want to keep here, if I keep 5 here, what I want to say means here 5 binary value is 101. So add 5 zeros here. So now you see the out what is 160. I think to understand the left shift operator, there is a formula is there. Formula is shortcut is taking A formula I'll tell you. A left shift B means A into 2 power B. What I wrote is called in Python. Just check it, you will get the same output. Now we'll go for right shift operator. See, right shift operator means okay. Let's we have understood this. Yes, on the like yeah, let's see. Right, right shift. Let's see what it will. See what I want to say is here 5 value means so much. So I'll show you, I'll tell you. So this right shift operator. Right shift because of it. Yes, actually. 5 no, you know it. 5 by number. How much? 5 by number is 101. Okay. What I'm doing is here this is a binary number of 5. Now the question is 5 right shift. Now you side from right side these two removing add two zeros behind this. So remove this zero one first, right? One, add to the add two zeros. So if you convert this into by number, you will get one. See the same thing. See one. Otherwise, let us go with another example. Taking seven. What is a seven binary number? Let's take 8 by 8 binary number. Let's take 8. What we can understand with 8? 8 binary number is 170. Okay. Binary number of 8 is 170. Then our question is 8 where should be. Yes, now this will be converted. Now, first remove first 8 bits. Sorry, first remove 8 2 bits. Here to a diagram. So then add those two in. First remove those two, and yeah, right here. See, remove those two bits, then it will be 10. Yes, right? First remove those two bits, it will become 10. Now add two zeros behind that. Now we see the output what we get. Equal to 2. You get the CPU. I think punishment the friendship property. But there is no shortcuts here. Only attention logic. Text. Go for this is not one's complement. Okay, complement. Okay. What is the one's complement of zero? And what is the one's complement of zero is one, and one's complement of one is zero. It is fixed. Think I explained every replace operator. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Please show your friends. Thank you. Thank you everyone.